Brother, we made hooks more complicated than flying a freaking Airbus. Think of your hooks like this. Your content sits behind a locked door. Your hook is the key that opens the door. Wrong key, your perfect audience keeps watching creators with half of your expertise. That's it. Your hook is designed to do just one thing. Let people pass to content. Nothing else. So let me show you 3 hooks, same topic, side by side. $1 hook, $1,000 hook, and a $30,000 hook. Why the $1,000 hook is actually the one killing niche channels, and most importantly, $30,000 hook checklist. 6 elements so you never see 900 views on your video again. By the way, I'm Vuk. For the past 11 years, I've been helping niche creators sell $30 million online, generate 800 million views, mostly using what I'm about to show you in this video. The $1 hook. Let's use how to grow on YouTube as an example. Here it is. Hey guys, it's Vuk. Today I'm gonna share my YouTube growth tips. I've been doing this for a while and I've learned a lot. So if you want to grow on YouTube, make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's get into it. It's bye-bye, right? It's bland, it's generic. There is no problem set up. There are no stakes. There is no reason to care. It doesn't take a genius to see that it's awful. But a $1,000 hook is the one killing our desire for creating content. Same topic, $1,000 hook. What if I told you there is a secret algorithm hack that YouTube is keeping hidden from us? Stay tuned because I'm revealing the 3 steps to unlock it. The last one is my favorite one and also the most powerful. Now, this feels just a bit better, right? It has some curiosity. There is a secret hack. There are 3 steps. Last one is the best one, but here's the trap. It's focused solely on creator. No problem setup, no self-interest, no stakes. However, it feels decent, and that's the trap. You post it, you get 900 views, and the video dies. And then you blame the content or the niche or your camera skills, but the hook was decent. That's the problem. Here is why a $1,000 hook is more dangerous than a $1 hook. A $1 hook, you know it's garbage. You get 29 views, you learn, you fix it, and then you move on. The $1,000 hook, it feels good. So you keep posting them video after video, and each one is training the algorithm to bear you. YouTube tests every video on 500 people. Hook lands, that's 70% retention. YouTube says show it to 10,000 more people. If same pattern repeats, show it to 250,000 more people. When hook is decent, some watch but most bounce. And then YouTube says bury it. That's the exponential curve. Retention works like this. 25% retention is 19 views. 50% retention, that's 25,000 views. 70% retention, 1.5 million views. Every $1,000 hook you post teaches the algorithm one thing. People skip this creator, so test cautiously. So when you finally make something great, no one sees it because you built an audience around your face that doesn't care. Now, the $30,000 hook, same topic, how to grow on YouTube. Listen to this. You know why your videos get 200 views while creators with less knowledge routinely hit 20,000 teaching the same topic as you are? It's not your content or the niche. It's the one thing you're overdoing in your hooks. And if you don't fix it by video 5 or 6, you'll train the algorithm to bear you below 1,000 impressions. By the way, I'm Vuk. I've taken dozens of creators from 0 to 1 million in under 6 months, and today I'm showing you exactly what we did for every single one of them. Do you feel that? The problem is set. 200 views while others get 20,000 views. Self-interest and stakes. If you don't fix it, you are buried below 1,000 impressions permanently. Curiosity. One thing you're overdoing in your hooks. Credibility. $1 million in 6 months. That's a $30,000 hook. With decent content after a hook like that, that's 20 or 30,000 views easily. But if knowing was enough, you'd be already seeing 50,000 views on your videos. You need to actually build them. So here are the 6 elements. The first 3 are non-negotiable. Number 1, problem setup. This is the most important by far. This is first 5 seconds of your video. It's not I'm gonna teach you X, but you know why you are struggling with X. One is preaching, the other one raises question. Number 2, self-interest. Remember this, WIIFM. What's in it for me? Not here is what I learned, but here is what you get. One is about me as a creator, the other one is about the audience. These 2, problem and self-interest, combined with credibility will push your videos further than everything else combined. So number 3, credibility. This one is the simplest. Answer this question. Why should they listen to you? Nothing else. It's not, I've been doing this for a while, but I've taken dozens of creators from $0 to $1 million in under 6 months. If you don't have crazy results, please don't panic. Use time and energy invested. So for example, I fed ChatGPT top 30 Ali Abdaal's videos. Here are the only 3 things you need for inhuman productivity. You see that? Or I transcribed the first 60 seconds from the top 30 videos in educational needs. Here is why our hooks sit at 9% retention. That's it. You don't need millions in the bank. You just need time and energy invested. Those 3 are mandatory: problem setup, self-interest, and credibility. You have to have them. Next 3, amplify. These are topic dependent, but not mandatory. Do not stack thousands of them so your hooks last for 120 seconds. So number 4, stakes. There is nothing complicated about stakes. Stakes are just an answer to a simple question. What do they lose if they don't watch? That's it. Vague stakes are secret hack. Means nothing. Clear stakes, algorithm buries you below 1,000 impressions. That creates urgency. Number 5, curiosity. This is simply an unanswered question that won't leave their mind. This is happening throughout all of your content. It's not I'm sharing tips. You already know what tips are and then you're gone. But it's one thing you're overdoing in your hooks makes you want to know the answer. That's the whole deal. Then number 6, uniqueness. There are 40 videos already on YouTube on the topic you want to share. Why should I watch yours? So it's not YouTube growth tips, but you're getting 200 views while people with less knowledge get 200,000 on the same topic. You're overdoing the hooks. Here is how. It's different. It stands out. Now please screenshot that checklist. Every hook you write runs through it. First 3 are mandatory. They are not the difference between 15,000 and 20,000 views. They are the difference between 240 views and 25,000 views. But the real cost here is much bigger than views. Every weak hook is a missed fan, not a viewer, a fan. And 500 fans coupled with a premium product is how any niche creator stays above $200,000 a year in 2026 and years to come. No viral bullcrap, just 500 fans who trust you and a product that's worth buying. That's it. But brother, here's what 11 years online taught me. Elite hooks are 10% of success. The other 90% comes from your energy. And it comes from just one place, a premium product you would bet your reputation on. If you're selling affiliate garbage, writing hooks is a torture. If you don't have anything to sell, same thing. Subconsciously, you don't want anyone to buy, or you know it's a waste of time. Content becomes a grind. Consistency dies. But when you're promoting something you know transforms lives, hooks write themselves. That's selling a Ferrari for $1,000. You're not pushing, you're gifting. Your posture shifts, your confidence show up, your camera presence, everything clicks. And when you know every video is $2,000 or $3,000 in the bank, consistency kind of takes care of itself. That's why I built the company no one wanted to build. The first ever ran for you online business. You get access to 18 premium digital products. Sell them and keep 100% of the revenue and 100% of the monthly recurring revenue. We handle, listen to this, payments, tech, support, team, hosting, membership, emails, everything. You just create content and keep the money. Monetization for niche creators change forever. In 6 months, you won't be able to explain the younger generations why creators were building from scratch when they could have owned the business in literally under 60 seconds. But listen to this. First mover window is still open, and the top 60 creators who join us will get ownership shares in the company. We are aiming for a 10-figure exit, so you do the math. courseasaservice.com. And if you want to understand how to actually go fans viral in 2026, then watch this video right here.